Hello, my name is Gail Weaver. The 8th row is waiting, so let's start our cozy tatting evenings. Okay, so this is our first ring, as we have on a diagram. Then chain, join, picot, chain, join, picot, chain, chain, ring, and so on. Nothing special actually in this row, but just a reminder that here you need to make a join picot with 2 picots at the same time. One and 2. This is just a reminder. 1, 2. Pull the needle and again make this thread straight and continue making another chain. And complete this row. This is how it should be. Oh, let me cut the thread here. And this is how it should be. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to support me, please scan this QR code or visit my Etsy shop. Have a great time tatting. See you next video. Bye.